Hello my crafty friends. So in this video I'm going to be sharing with you how I do the crossed double crochet stitch. This stitch is really nice for blankets. It can be done for garments, and as you can see here I'm making it for a cute little ruffled hat. It's lemon colored and I am using a D3 3.25 millimeter hook. You can see here. The purpose of this video is to show you how I do the crossed double crochet stitch. So I've already started the next round, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to yarn over as a double crochet stitch, insert the hook. I'm going to skip this stitch and go into the next stitch, yarn over, insert hook, yarn over, pull it through, and then I'm going to complete my double crochet stitch. Go through two, then I'm going to go ahead as if to do another double crochet stitch, yarn over, and I'm going to reach back and go into that skip stitch, insert my hook, yarn over, pull it through, and then complete my double crochet stitch. And then I'm going to just repeat that pattern. Skip the next stitch, yarn over, insert hook, complete my double crochet stitch, yarn over, insert the hook in the stitch that's behind it, and yarn over, pull through, yarn over, and complete my double crochet stitch. And so that forms this really cute little pattern, as you can see here. I've started the hat. It's a beautiful lemon colored hat. It's going to be something I probably will put on my Etsy shop once I complete it. The hat itself, I'm not sure if I'm going to actually do a pattern, but it's how you do this cross double crochet stitch.